Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Torn between the Sony FE 24-70mm F2.8 GM II and the Nikon 40mm F/2.8 G Micro? It's a tough call, like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a precision scalpel. The Sony, at around $1,830 renewed, feels like a serious piece of kit. Weighing in at 1.5 pounds, it's got that solid, professional heft. I bet that G Master glass delivers incredible sharpness.
Sharpness is key, but remember that weight after a long shoot. Plus, that's a significant investment. Are you really going to use that 24-70mm range to its full potential, or would a lighter, more specialized lens be better? Both.
Good point. The Nikon, at around $218 renewed, is significantly lighter at 1.1 pounds and much more compact. Perfect for a smaller bag, right?
Right. But it's a dedicated macro lens with a fixed 40mm focal length. It excels at extreme close-ups, achieving life-size 1:1 reproduction. Are you prepared for that level of specialization?
Okay, let's break it down. The Sony 24-70mm is the ultimate all-rounder. That zoom range lets you go from wide-angle landscapes to tighter portraits in seconds. Think weddings, events, travel, one lens for almost everything.
True, but all-rounder can sometimes mean master of none. While it boasts excellent resolution and bokeh, is it truly exceptional at every focal length and aperture? And are you okay with a renewed product?
The Nikon, however, is a macro marvel. Imagine capturing the intricate details of a flower, the compound eyes of an insect, or the texture of a vintage coin. It opens up a whole new world of photographic possibilities. It focuses as close as 0.53 feet.
Absolutely, but that 40mm focal length means you're stuck at that perspective. It's fantastic for macro, less so for general photography. You'll need to physically move to frame your shot, which isn't always possible.
Exactly. The Sony is about flexibility and convenience. The Nikon is about precision and detail. One wants to be your everyday companion. The other wants to reveal hidden worlds.
So think about your shooting style. Do you need a versatile zoom for varied subjects? Or are you drawn to the intricate beauty of the miniature world? That's the core question.
If you prioritize versatility, professional image quality across a range of situations, and don't mind the size and price, the Sony 24-70mm G Master II is a fantastic choice.
But if you're captivated by macro photography and want to capture stunning close-up images without breaking the bank, the Nikon 40mm Micro is a clear winner.
Ultimately, it's about choosing the right tool for your creative vision. Now, go out there and capture something amazing. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.